Week number 2, we made it through one full week of online learning. Yay! Great job, everyone. I'm so proud of you. I know no one thought we would be doing this, but here we are, week number 2. So, I have a couple announcements for this Monday morning. Just a reminder that today is the last technical Blizzard bag number 6. Then regular online learning will start tomorrow. So I will put day number 7, day number 8 is how I'll refer to those. No longer will they be Blizzard bag days. Make sure you get all of your Blizzard bags complete. They account for attendance. I have to report them to Mr. Loomis, and they report them to the state of Ohio. So make sure you're getting those done. I will update Progress Book tomorrow and today with the assignments I have with the Study Island, Blizzard Bag 1, with the Nearpod assignment, Blizzard Bag 2. So if you have not completed those, please do that. If you did Nearpod assignments with a different name like Horizon, I don't know who Horizon is, please let me know so I can put those in. They'll be shown as missing in Progress Book if I don't have your real name. So make sure you let me know. Big thing is, if you are having trouble, if you're having internet issues, if you're having just problems, please try to email me or get a hold of me, and I can try to help as much as I can. I'm here from 9 to 2 from Monday through Friday for any questions or help available, and I try to answer your emails whenever I have time, so it doesn't really have to be till 2 o'clock. Make sure you're checking my online planner each day. This is for today. I have a sweet motivational video. I just learned how to do trailers on iMovie. Check it out. Today is review day. So there are 2 review games. Westward Movement, a quizzes game. You can go on, challenge your classmates from home. Do it a couple of times. And then the other one is the Westward Movement Study Island. It's only one study island. You just have to do 10 questions at 70%. It is what we've been covering. Open the lesson. It won't complete it. Check it completed on Study Island until you go through the whole lesson. So play the game if you need to. Click through the lesson just to look at it one time. But that is for today. Tomorrow will be the online assessment, the big summative. So practice, review, go through what you've missed the last couple of days before you take the summative. Please, please, please. All right, a couple other little things. I found this chart and I think it's very good. How to be successful in online learning. Especially for me as a teacher, I have to set these things. Personal goals for myself. I need to put my phone in another room when I'm working on my online. I have my own little space away from my children because, there's so much going on. Stay connected with your classmates. Just because you aren't in the class with them, you can talk to them. See if you have any questions with them. See how they're doing. Reach out to your teacher. Talk to me. Attend office hours. Don't be shy. I know a couple of you want to do virtual meetings. I'm trying to set that up this week. So please, please, please just check this out. Look at some of the online learning tips. I've used some of these already. I think it's a great way to kind of set your mind right when you're doing some of these assignments. I miss all of you. Hope you all have a great Monday, and hopefully I will see you soon.